We have discussed several problems under this topic stoichiometry. Now also we are going to discuss another problem under this topic stoichiometry. We have come to this level step by step very slowly. Please watch our previous videos, then you will be able to understand very easily. All are short videos. Now let's see the problem. According to the following chemical equation, how many grams of C5H12, that means pentane, are required to produce 10 liters of carbon dioxide? According to the following chemical equation, how many grams of C5H12, that means pentane, are required to produce 10 liters of carbon dioxide? Molar masses have been given: carbon 12, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. Let's see the chemical equation. C5H12 plus O2, we get CO2 plus H2O. This chemical equation is not balanced. First of all, we need to balance this chemical equation. Let's balance it. C5H12 plus 8O2, we get 5CO2 plus 6H2O. You can see on the left hand side 5 carbons, on the right hand side 5 carbons, on the left hand side 12 hydrogens, on the right hand side 6 times 2 12 hydrogens, on the left hand side 8 times 2 16 oxygens, and on the right hand side 5 times 2 10 oxygen, and here 6 oxygen. Altogether 16 oxygens on the right hand side. It will take some time for you to balance this chemical equation. I have already balanced it. Here we need to produce 10 liters of carbon dioxide. First of all, we have to convert this 10 liters of carbon dioxide to moles of carbon dioxide. 10 liters of carbon dioxide to moles of carbon dioxide. We know at STP means standard temperature and pressure, in a 22.4 liters, there is 1 mole of carbon dioxide. That means 1 mole of carbon dioxide requires 22.4 liters at STP. In a 22.4 liters, there is 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now we need to find, in a 10 liters, how many moles of carbon dioxide are there? We can find it in this way: 1 mole carbon dioxide divided by 22.4 liters multiplied by 10 liters. We should cancel out unit. Liters. Then we get 0.446 moles of carbon dioxide. 3 decimal places are enough. I use my calculator. 3 decimal places are enough. We can take this in 2 decimal places if we want. Then this 4 becomes 5. This 4 becomes 5. This 10 liters of carbon dioxide means 0.4 0.45 moles of carbon dioxide. 0.45 moles of carbon dioxide. We know the ratio. To produce 5 moles of carbon dioxide, we need 1 mole of pentane C5H12. This is the ratio. To produce 5 moles of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of pentane is required. To produce 5 moles of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of pentane is required. Now we need to produce 0.45 moles of carbon dioxide. This 0.45 moles of carbon dioxide means 10 liters of carbon dioxide. To produce 5 moles of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of pentane is required. To produce 0.45 moles of carbon dioxide, how many moles of pentane are required? We can find the answer in this way. 1 mole of pentane divided by 5 moles of carbon dioxide multiplied by 0.45 moles of carbon dioxide. 1 mole of pentane divided by 5 moles of carbon dioxide multiplied by 0.45 moles carbon dioxide multiplied here. Now we can cancel out mole carbon dioxide, then we get 0.09 moles pentane. 0.09 moles pentane. But we have been asked how many grams of pentane are required to produce 10 liters of carbon dioxide. Now we have found moles of pentane. Now we have to convert to mass in grams. We know mass equals number of moles times molar mass. Mass equals number of moles times molar mass. Number of moles 0.09. 0.09. Molar mass of pentane C5H12. 5 carbons, 12 times 5, 60, and 12 hydrogens, 72 gram per mole. We should cancel out units mole. Then we get mass in grams 6.48 grams of pentane C5H12. To produce 10 liters of carbon dioxide, 6.48 grams of pentanes are required. To produce 10 liters of carbon dioxide, 6.48 grams of pentane are required. If you can understand this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.